In this video, we are going to see how we can install any game, any program, or any software without the need for admin rights or access. So as soon as we click on any software, it will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? We click yes, and if it is not admin, it will ask for some additional requirements. So let's see how we can avoid this. First of all, just close the window, whatever software you tried to install, and right click and create the new folder here. Create a new folder and just drag and drop your required program or game into that folder. And you can also cut and paste it on the desktop. Let me just paste it on the desktop. Here it is. Open this folder, right click on this, click on new, and we just insert a simple text document. Double click to open that. Open it with Notepad, and you just need to copy and paste the command that I will mention in the description of this video. Paste it here and you just simply close it. Click save. Now whatever is the program name, you just open this, click on it once. It will allow you to copy this or rename this, or you can just right click and rename. Basically, we don't want to rename this, only copy this name exactly. Go to the new text document, and it says paste here your software, program, or game name. So we just need to remove this. Make sure you put a space after the start and then place that name. Click on file, click on save as, and you can name it however you want. For example, setup RST, which is the program name, .bat. We need to name it as BAT extension. Save as type should be all files. Click save and close out of here. After that, you will see this kind of setup file. Let me just show you in the large icons. So this is the file that you can directly run now without the need for admin rights. So even if you don't have the password of admin for some reason, you can still install this game or software you want. So just double click on it and it will directly start it for you, started the setup, and you can access it simply without the need for admin access. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.